Hello everyone, my name is Jerome Oculto from BSCS 1C. Today, let's talk about Fibonacci sequence. What we will learn today, or kung ano nga ba yung objective natin sa presentation natin. First, what is Fibonacci? Second, identify patterns in numbers. Third, solve our real-life problems using Fibonacci. Last is appreciate the use of mathematics in real life. What is Fibonacci sequence? A sequence where each number is the sum of the previous two. Starts with 0 and 1. So this is our Fibonacci formula. F sub n equals f sub n minus 1 plus f sub n minus 2. Add the last two numbers, continue the pattern, where our f sub n is our current number in the sequence you are trying to find, and the n is the index or position of the number in the line. Example, if n is equals to 5, meaning yun is ang hinahanap natin ay ang panglimang number. And the f sub n minus 1, this is our number immediately before the one you are looking for. For example, or to make it short, this is our previous term. And our f sub n minus 2 is our number 2 places before the one you are looking for, or our second previous term. Example, 0, 1, 1, 2, 3, 5, 8, 8, 30. Each number equals the sum of the previous two numbers. Meaning, lahat ng ito is pinag-aadad lang natin yung mga naragpasan na natin number. For example, this is our last 30. Pinag-add lang natin yung 8 sa 5, which is ang sagot ay 30. Ganon din ang ginawa natin sa may 5 plus 3 is equals to 8. Same as 3 plus 2 is equals to 5. And 2 plus 1 is equals to 3. And hanggang sa 0. Pero pag magano tayo ng given example, pa kanan dapat ang gagawin natin add. For example, 0, 1, which is dapat nag-start daw tayo. And 1 plus 1 is 2. 2 plus 1 is equals to 3. 3 plus 2 is 5. 5 plus 3 is 8. And 8 plus 5 is 13. And so on. Hanggang sa makuha na natin yung number na hinahanap natin. Let's try an example. Find the ninth term in the Fibonacci sequence, where our Fibonacci formula is f sub n equals f sub n minus 1 plus f sub n minus 2. Gaya ng sabi kanina, we will start at 0 and 1, and we will just simply add the previous number to our current number. So, if mag-start tayo ng 0, 1, which means ang sagot dito is 1. Ang sagot sa una ay 1. And 1 plus 1 is equals to 2. 2 plus 3 ay 2 plus 1 is equals to 3. 3 plus 2 is equals to 5. 5 plus 8 is equals to 13. 8 plus 13 is equals to 21. So kung ang hinahanap natin ay 9th number, kung pangilan na siya is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I mean 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We are going to add 30 plus 21 is equals to 34, which means our 9th number in Fibonacci sequence is 34. Let's try to give another problem, a real life problem. A detective is analyzing a criminal pattern. Day 1. He committed one crime. Day 2. He committed again one crime. Each next day is equals sum of previous 2 days. Question. How many crimes on the 7th day? How many crimes on the 9th day? Step-by-step solutions. Day 1. He committed one crime, and day 2 he committed again one crime, and in day 3 we are going to add his previous crime, which is he committed one crime and the next day he committed one crime, so in the third day he committed 2 crimes. In the fourth day he committed 3 crimes. 5 committed 5 crimes. 6 he committed 8 crimes. 7 he committed 13 crimes. 18 he committed 21 crimes, and 9 he committed 34 crimes. Ang hinahanap natin dito ngayon is how many crimes on the 7th day and how many crimes on the 9th day. Ang hinahanap natin is kung ilan yung crime na nagawa ng isang kriminal nung pang 7 and 9th day niya. So if we are looking to day and 7, which means in 7th day he committed 13 crimes, and in 9th day he committed 34 crimes. So ang final answer natin in 7th day, the criminal committed 13 crimes, and in 9th day the criminal committed 34 crimes. Explanation. Each value is the sum of the 2 previous values. This creates a pattern. The pattern helps predict future events. So, meaning nun is lahat ng value na mga natin dito sa Fibonacci sequence is about sum lang or about addition of the 2 previous values natin. Where nag-create siya ngayon ng pattern, where your pattern na yon is nakakatulong ma-predict yung future events or kung ano yung mangyayari on the next event. Real life application. This slide shows some real life application of the Fibonacci sequence. First, crime pattern analysis can use Fibonacci-like patterns to help predict future trend based on previous data. Second, population growth can follow Fibonacci behavior when each generation depends on earlier generations. Lastly, Fibonacci patterns appear in nature such as flower, petals, pinnacles, and spiral shells. In conclusion, the Fibonacci sequence follows a mathematical pattern where each term is the sum of the 2 previous terms. We also learned that this sequence can be applied to a real-life situation such as crime analysis, population growth, and nature patterns. This shows that mathematics help us understand patterns in the world around us. So, I hope na may natutunan kayo sa Fibonacci sequence na in-explain natin, which is napakadali lang dahil add lang siya ng 2 previous numbers natin para makuha natin yung next na number na hinahanap natin.